You must be gutted, Ron, after spending all that money on this plane.
Yeah.
How much was it again?
3.
It's away, Ron. It's flying, mate. I hear him buzzing with the trims. Where you going, Ron? You going straight down, mate? You going down, mate? Oh, behind the hill, I think.
Yeah, I had no control.
Oh, did you do the range test?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, Ron, this is looking a bit agricultural.
Yeah.
What happened, mate?
I think what happened was, when I got disorientated, I slowed it down too much and it stalled.
Oh, you dropped a wing, because it was sort of spiralling in, I think.
Yeah.
Although I'll probably see in the footage.
Yeah.
But what do you reckon? Bit of easy off BAM should be good?
Just about, I think.
It's just amazing, isn't it? Because that went in vertical.
Yeah.
And look at it. It's like just the cowl and shit. But it was flying good until then.
Yeah.
Takeoff was good. Should have just landed and done the trims then, taken off again.
Yeah.
But 2020 hindsight's great, we've all got it. We never use it.
I don't think the muffler's bent.
I've got a spare one if it is.
Yeah, it was on the angle like that. I think the only thing that's bent's the needle valve.
Oh yeah. They're not hard to fix.
I'll take the cowl off and see that.
Yeah. So, you must be gutted, Ron, after spending all that money on this plane.
Yeah.
How much was it again?
3.
Yeah, well that's still a lot of money to some people.